I'm Veronica King from the Builder's Wife Instagram, and welcome to our new King Homes display home. This is a modern family home featuring Intrim mouldings throughout. Let me show you around. In the open plan areas of the home, I chose the Shadowline SK800 skirting to create a seamless finish. We have loved working with the Shadowline product for its modern aesthetic and its ease of installation, and it provides a superior finish to traditional metal angle methods. In the master bedroom, I chose the CC50 concave moulding to be the feature in the room. Concave mouldings come in a variety of sizes and when installed side by side create a stunning feature. I chose the CC50 moulding because of its deep concave and decorative feature. The CC50 complements this room with its curves and creates a unique aesthetic. Intrim mouldings have wall battens which come in different sizes which provide lots of options for your interiors. In this media room, we chose a light colour scheme to create a flexible space. Plain white walls are boring, so I chose the 66 by 18mm size wall battens for the walls in this room to add texture and interest. These Intrim wall battens have the sharp corners taken off, so they're child safe and perfect for a living area. When designing this room, I considered the placement of the wall battens and I had them positioned 350mm apart to make them the feature of the room and not look too busy. Intrim Mouldings is a local Australian manufacturer that offer quality, innovative products that really create spectacular interiors. We love working with Intrim Mouldings in all of our homes.